Hi guys, it's Dave from Car Crackers here again. Just thought I'd do another episode of the Perfect Car to Drive today. As keeps happening in these videos, it's lovely and sunny, absolutely gorgeous and sunny all the way through today, and then just as I go to do the video, it starts to go a little bit sort of misty and sort of overcast there, but it's still nice and dry. It's been lovely and dry all day. So today, it's not quite supercar weather, but I would say it's definitely an older sort of classic, so a hardtop classic, and I feel I've got to sort of lean towards my favourite sort of hardtop classic, which I definitely think is the best one ever made. It's something from let me just assist you in these. So it's from the country that brought you Lamborghini and Pagani. It is a car with a beautiful beautiful rear end, a beautiful front end, beautiful everything. In my opinion, it's the best, one of the best design cars ever. It's got a 3-liter V12, which back in the day revved to 7,700 RPM. Oh! Just imagine the sound. It's got 4 great big rear tailpipes poking out of its out of its rear. Just when you hear one of these start up, when they catch after their sort of when they get to their idle, it's gorgeous a sound, absolutely perfect. I'm going to stop talking that crap. So, but yeah, it's as you might have guessed by that, it's an Italian car. It is a car that, in its class in 1960, came first, second, third, and fourth at Le Mans. Without further ado, the most perfect classic car ever, and the perfect car to drive today, is the Ferrari 250 SWB. Excellent. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.